All right, somebody else asked me about this funky looking quadrilateral here. I'll do my best to draw it, but it looks a little weird. Okay, that looks even weirder than what it looks like in the book, but we'll go with it. So we got A, B, C, D. So allegedly this is a straight line. And so we've got 16 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 33 degrees, 7 centimeters, and a right angle down there. Great. So a couple different ideas for how we could do this. Um, they want us to find the area and the perimeter, by the way. So here's one idea. If I add an extra line right here, that's also at a right angle, then this is going to be, well, I guess I don't know that. Yeah, let me do this slightly differently. I don't like that line anymore. Let me explain what I was thinking. Is I was hoping that that would make a right angle over here, but I guess I don't really know that it does that. So I'm going to change my mind. I'm not going to do that. What I'll do instead is make a triangle like this. Now, this isn't going to make a right triangle, but I could use law of sines or law of cosines to figure out this length right here. And then after I figure out that length, I can do Pythagorean theorem to figure out this length down here. So I think that's a better approach. So let's call this length h for hypotenuse. Then I can set up 9 squared plus 16 squared. I'm using the law of cosines because I have side angle side. So I have two sides with the angle in between them. Everything on the left side of the calculator on the left side of the equation can be typed into the calculator. So I typed it all in. You can see for yourself. So 95.46 is h squared. And then I do the square root of that. And I get 9.77 is h centimeters. But what I really want is to know what AD is. And so that's a leg of a right triangle. So I know that, let's give this a name, let's call it B. I know that B squared plus 7 squared is 9.77 squared because it's a squared plus B squared equals C squared. So 7 squared is 49. 9.77 squared, we just did that, it's 95.46. So I take 95.46 and minus 49 from it. So B squared is 46.46. Take the square root of that, and I get B equals 6.82 centimeters. So now I'm ready to do the perimeter. So the perimeter is just adding up all the sides. We actually don't add up H because that's on the interior of the shape. It's not one of the outsides of the shape. So the perimeter is 7 plus 9 plus 16 plus the answer we just found, 6.82. And that gets 38.82 centimeters. Now to find the area, I'm going to think of it as two different shapes. This triangle down here and this triangle up here. So the area is going to be the purple triangle. The purple triangle is 1/2 times base times height. And then the green triangle is not a right triangle, so I'll use the other triangle formula, AB sine of the angle in between them. And after I put all that together, I can type that all into the calculator. Type it all in just like that. And then hit enter. I get that the total area is 63.08, and that's going to be measured in square centimeters. So there you go. I had the wrong idea at first where I thought I could make a nice like rectangle, but it turned out to be much nicer to connect B to D, because then you can use your right triangle and you can use your side angle side on it. So comment, ask questions. Thanks for watching.